Hi all. You might have seen movies like Batman, Superman, New Avengers, Infinity War, Hulk, and so on and so on. And you might have even heard about characters like Thor, Captain America, Wonder Woman. Have you ever heard about this Indian version of these superhero movies called as Shaktiman? Because when I was your age, I was an ardent fan of this Shaktiman show, which was telecasted in the Doordarshan channel. Movies don't have a long history. Before that itself, we had a mindset which we love and longs for superhero characters. So, before the arrival of these superhero movies, there were comic books where these superhero characters are portrayed. Have you ever read any sort of comic books? To be precise, a comic book contains stories told mainly through pictures. When I was a student, I read plenty of comic books like Tenali Raman, Akbar and Birbal stories, these Panchatantra tales, uh, then 1001 Arabian Nights, and plenty of them I have read, and that have aided me making or creating a taste on into the world of reading. If you love reading and you don't know how to start it. Try any comics books that are available in your local market because that will aid you to make a taste and also build a base in reading. I hope you all are doing well. Be safe in your home. In this chapter named Gopal and the Hilsa Fish, we are going through a small comic book story. Notes will be provided after the class. So let us get into the chapter. When the story begins, we will be able to see a place where everyone, literally everyone, irrespective of their jobs, was speaking about a fish named Hilsa fish. Not just fishermen or the fishermongers or those who have come to buy the fish, but the wives, children, everyone was speaking about Hilsa fish. Inside the palace, everyone will be speaking about the betterment of the society, the developmental activities that they have to do, about the ruling skills, and so on. They will be discussing about these things. But when it comes to that palace, even the courtiers were speaking towards the king about a huge hilsa fish that they have caught. And suddenly the king lost all his temper and tried to scold everyone there. And he scolded them like, aren't you all people courtiermen? You are all seeming like a fisherman was saying about the Hilsa fish now. And no one, literally no one in in that palace was not able to skip speaking about Hilsa fish. And the king said towards the Gopal, who was one of the most clever one in that palace, says that not even Gopal can stop anyone. Not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish. Not even for 5 minutes. For 5 minutes, everyone was speaking about Hilsa fish, and not even for 5 minutes, no one in this world can stop others who was speaking about Hilsa fish. But suddenly, Gopal, on the vice versa, said to the king that, "No, your majesty, I think I can do that." The king, after hearing the reply from Gopal, thought that even the king of this country, myself, is not able to deny anyone speaking about the Hilsa fish, and how could Gopal do that? And he commanded towards Gopal that if you can bring a big Hilsa fish to the palace and let no one around you speak about the Hilsa fish, you will be winning. A few days later, when Gopal went to his home, he shaved his beard and mustache in half and poured some ash on his face. Seeing him wearing a rag old clothes, his wife thought that, have my husband gone mad? Why are you doing all these things? But Gopal replied plenty of times that I'm going to buy a fish. What's the problem? She was almost sure that the Gopal have gone mad. So Gopal went towards the market and bought the hilsa fish from there. But when he was coming back, everyone was wondering by seeing the image of Gopal. Because in the image itself, you will be able to see that a small child is saying that, Mother, look at that man. Isn't he like a comical guy? And others thought that he is a madman or a mystic. When Gopal reached the court with that hilsa fish, the courtiers also thought that why a guy like this have arrived towards the court? What do you want? But they asked him what did he want? But Gopal said to them that I want to see the king. You can see the king. Get away with you, because he have came there with so much a dirty dress. But son, they thought that how can they let him enter towards the kingdom, towards the palace? So they said they threw him away. But after doing this, Gopal God had a better idea in his mind, and he went outside and started dancing and singing so loudly so that even everyone in the kingdom is able to hear his voice, including the king. After hearing that annoying voice, King got angry and he called the courtiers and asked them what is happening outside. And he ordered them to let throw that guy outside. But even after that, when that madman who all they thought as madman, the king also realized that it is Gopal, and after seeing him in disguise and making all these noises, he shouted towards Gopal and asked him, why are you coming in disguise and with all this ridiculously fashioned dress? And Gopal replied to him, Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. Uh, Your Highness, you might have forgotten something. You have given me a task, but that you think that no one in this world will be able to do. The king thought that forgotten something. I haven't forgotten something. Suddenly, Gopal took out the hilsa fish which was in his hand and said to everyone that no one in this world is now speaking about hilsa fish, and everyone is speaking about my dress. Everyone, literally everyone in that courtyard, irrespective of those people who were envious upon the qualities of Gopal, was also laughing like anything. And the king realized that Gopal have made another challenge that had been put toward to him has been made accomplished successfully, and he congratulated him like anything. The moral of the story is really simple. Suppose think that you have a dream in your mind. You want to become a great sports personality. You want to become a scientist. You want to become a great entrepreneur. You want to become a businessman, and so on. And if you have a dream in your mind, and if you longs to achieve anything, if you wishes to achieve anything, your path should not be a problem to you. Whatever the situation are, you have to tackle them and you have to achieve that dream like Gopal did. Gopal want to buy hilsa fish and let no one speak about that fish. So he, even though he was a part of that courtyard and also he was a reputed person in that country, he went in disguise like a madman and did all these things to achieve history. So you should a path should not be a problem to you people. And the next point is people changes their opinion based on the situation. You should not lend ears to them. Suppose think that COVID-19 is now eradicated, an election comes by, people will be starting speaking about that. A new topic will be coming day by day, and people all around us are not bothered about anyone, and they will be speaking about what all things comes to their mind. So if you have to achieve your dream, so Gopal had to achieve a dream make a challenge into possible, and he had to do a great deed by everyone was making fun of him and was also blaming him like anything. Still, he doesn't deviate. Like Gopal, if you have a dream and if you have a challenge in your mind, you should not hear about anyone and you should be working for that dream rigorously. Hope you all have got the idea of the chapter well, and the notes will be delivered to you people as soon as possible. If you have any doubts related with the chapter, please let me know. Thank you.